Have you ever wondered where it all started? Where our Earth, the only known planet to sustain life, came from? In the vast expanse of the cosmos billions of years ago, our tale takes root. Some 4.6 billion years in the past, a colossal molecular cloud, a swirling maelstrom of dust and gas, began to collapse under the sheer weight of its own gravity. Imagine, if you will, particles within this cosmic cloud colliding, sticking together, and gradually forming a spinning disk with a hot, condensed center. This is not the result of a random act, but the birth of a system, our solar system, to be precise. At the throbbing heart of this disk, our sun sparked into life, its fiery glow illuminating the cosmic stage upon which the next act of our story would play out. The leftover materials from this cosmic birth, instead of disappearing into the ether, embarked on a new path, a journey to form the planets. Closer to the sun, tiny rocky bodies known as planetesimals began a dance of collision and fusion. Over the span of tens of millions of years, these cosmic ballets, these collisions and mergers, gave birth to our very own planet, Earth. But the Earth was not born as we know it today. It was a hot, hostile environment, frequently bombarded by asteroid impacts. These cosmic missiles brought with them water and other essential elements to our nascent planet, while volcanic activity sculpted its surface. Over time, however, the young Earth cooled, its fiery surface hardened and the first oceans began to form. This marked the beginning of a new chapter in our Earth's history, a chapter filled with life and evolution. And so from cosmic dust and chaos, our Earth was born, a testament to the wonders of the universe. And from this chaos, the heart of our solar system, our sun, ignited. But the sun was just the beginning. What about the planets? How did they come into existence? You see, the birth of planets is an equally fascinating tale of cosmic collisions and gravitational pull. After the sun ignited, there was a lot of leftover material from the giant molecular cloud. This material didn't just vanish into oblivion. Instead, it started to form a flat, spinning disk around the young sun. This disk was a chaotic place, filled with dust, gas, and larger chunks of matter. Closer to the sun, where it was too hot for gases to condense, small rocky bodies began to take shape. These were the planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. They were everywhere, whizzing around in the disk, colliding and sticking together due to gravity. These collisions weren't gentle nudges but violent crashes, generating immense heat and causing the growing bodies to become molten. Over tens of millions of years, these planetesimals continued to collide and merge. They grew larger and larger, sweeping up more and more material from the disk. Gradually, these bodies became big enough to be considered protoplanets, the precursors to the planets we know today. One of these protoplanets, located in the perfect spot, not too hot, not too cold, was our Earth. It was a violent place, constantly bombarded by other bodies. Yet, each impact brought something new: water, essential elements, and even the building blocks of life. This process of planet formation wasn't a quick one. It took tens of millions of years for the protoplanets to form, and even longer for them to evolve into the planets we know today. But eventually the dust settled, the collisions became less frequent, and the planets found their place in the solar system. Through countless collisions and immense time, our Earth was born. Born from dust and chaos, it stands as a testament to the incredible power and beauty of nature's cosmic dance. Yet the Earth was not the hospitable place we know today. This newborn planet was a realm of fire and brimstone, a seething cauldron of molten rock and noxious gases. Here, in this hostile environment, the stage was set for the creation of the world as we know it. A rain of cosmic debris, remnants from the formation of the solar system, endlessly bombarded the young planet. These celestial bodies, asteroids and comets, were the delivery systems for essential elements. Water, carbon, nitrogen, the fundamental building blocks of life, these came from the stars. The impacts were violent, yes, but they were also vital. Without them, Earth may have remained a barren rock, devoid of the life-giving oceans and rich atmosphere we cherish today. Meanwhile, beneath the surface, the planet was alive with geothermal activity. Volcanoes erupted with tremendous force, spewing forth molten rock from the depths of the Earth. These fiery mountains sculpted the landscape, creating the continents and the ocean basins. They also pumped gases into the atmosphere, further contributing to the formation of our planet's protective envelope. This was a time of chaos, a time of change. The Earth was hot, incredibly so. The surface was a molten sea, an ocean of lava that glowed with the heat of formation. It was a place of extreme temperatures and crushing pressures, a world far removed from the one we inhabit. But as millions of years passed, the relentless heat began to wane. The surface cooled and solidified, forming the first crust. The bombardment of asteroids lessened, and the atmosphere stabilized. With these changes, the stage was set for the next act in Earth's ongoing drama. With time, the Earth began to cool, setting the stage for the formation of the first oceans. These vast bodies of water would become the cradle of life, the birthplace of every living thing on our planet. But that, dear listeners, is a story for another time. As the Earth cooled, something remarkable happened. The once scorching surface started to temper, volcanic eruptions subsided, and the atmosphere began to stabilize. The stage was set for the next act in Earth's grand play, the formation of the first oceans. The water for these oceans didn't just magically appear, it was delivered by icy comets hurtling through space which, upon colliding with Earth, released their watery cargo. Over hundreds of millions of years, these celestial water carriers helped fill the basins and low-lying areas, creating the first seas and oceans. But Earth's first oceans were not the serene blue bodies of water we know today. They were hot, mineral-rich, and teeming with chemical activity. This was the primordial soup, a complex cocktail of elements and compounds, the perfect cradle for the birth of life. Life, as we understand it, began in this nutrient-dense, warm broth. The first forms of life were simple cells, barely visible to the naked eye. These cells, over time, began to evolve, driven by the basic principle of survival: adapt or perish. The journey from single-celled organisms to the diverse spectrum of life we see today was not a straight path. It was a winding road marked by countless twists and turns, successes and failures. The process of evolution, working over billions of years, sculpted life into an array of forms and functions, each unique yet interconnected. From the depths of the oceans to the highest peaks, from the freezing poles to the scorching equator, life found a way. It adapted, diversified, and colonized every possible niche, creating the intricate web of life we are part of today. So, from the harsh beginnings, life took hold, diversifying and adapting to every corner of our planet. It's a testament to life's tenacity and adaptability, a story of triumph against all odds, a story that is still being written today. Today, our Earth stands as a testament to the wonders of the universe. A beacon of life and diversity, it's the product of an incredible cosmic journey that spanned billions of years. Our story began in a nebulous swirl of dust and gas, a seemingly insignificant speck in the grand scheme of the cosmos. Yet within this chaos, the seeds of something extraordinary were sown. As gravity worked its magic, these particles began to coalesce, forming a spinning disk with a hot, condensed center. This marked the birth of our sun, the heart of our solar system. But our story doesn't stop there. From the leftover material of this cosmic creation, the planets began to form. Closer to the sun, small rocky bodies, or planetesimals, started colliding and merging. As these collisions continued over tens of millions of years, our Earth was born. In its infancy, Earth was a hot and hostile place, bombarded by asteroids and shaped by volcanic activity. Yet these seemingly harsh conditions played a crucial role in our planet's evolution. Asteroid impacts brought water and other essential elements, while volcanic activity shaped the surface. Over time, the Earth cooled and the first oceans began to form. In these waters, life took hold, beginning as simple cells and slowly evolving over billions of years into the complex web of life we see today. Our Earth today, with its diverse ecosystems, lush landscapes, sprawling cities, and vast oceans, is a far cry from the fiery, chaotic world of its past. Yet every mountain, every river, every blade of grass, and every living creature is a testament to this incredible journey from cosmic dust to a thriving planet. From cosmic dust and chaos, our Earth was born, a testament to the wonders of the universe. This is the Earth we know today, a shining jewel in the cosmos, a testament to the power of time, nature, and the enduring marvel of cosmic creation.